Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are on the LaFontaine Buick GMC website. Once you've located the vehicle you're interested in, and you want to calculate your payment, click on Personalize Payment on our Shop Click Drive tab here. Here you can choose from finance, lease, or you can pay cash. This payment calculator works in real time. It's important that you enter in your zip code, as your rebates and incentives are going to be calculated based on that. Also, you can update your down payment and put down whatever you like. Also, you can choose from the mileage selections and see side by side what different terms will do for your lease payment. Here, 39 months seems to be the best price. Your payment will be summarized here on the right-hand side. You can see your MSRP, your total down, the term, how many miles per year, and this brief summary. So now we can start the leasing process online and save a ton of time in the dealership. Most of our clients like to do this. Be sure to complete the basic profile information because we're really customizing your deal. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.